Keto cooking for diabetes. How you doing? Today's Sunday, and again, too much food. I made the little ribs, the trimmings from the top of the spare ribs. Cooked them down in the sauce. Tomato sauce come out, by the way, delicious. Also made a bruschetta. Instead of having a salad, and sometimes you get a little tired of salad, you got to change things up. That's what I keep saying. Different mindset, different way of eating. Change things up a little bit. I made some zucchini, made it a different way rather than rolling it and deep frying it. I used less oil. I put it through the batter, but I left it in small, the planks. You got to work with what you have. So back in the past, I was a big bread eater, and I'll tell you what, these chaffles, I don't eat a lot of them, but when I do have some, I use them for the bruschetta. You'll see. Also, I put some cheese on it, sopping up the little tomato sauce there. So everything came out very good, but again, way too much food. And that's the mindset I got to get. I got to cut back on what I'm doing. So enjoy. So when you're an amateur making videos, there's a couple of certain things you have to remember, okay? If you want to get your message out and you want people to hear what you're saying, you gotta turn the microphone on. Anyway, this is my bruschetta. It has tomatoes, garlic, red onion, basil, Kalamata olives. And I just put some fresh oregano. I'm going to put a little bit more on it because I love oregano. Time to dig in. Zucchini with some fresh mozzarella on it. Wow. Very good. Some little pork. Little bruschetta.